everybody, it's Mike for Faraday Research. It has been an extremely long time. It's been like 2 months since the last time I'd done a video. Before we get into that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, bottom right hand corner, and also at the end of the video, give me a thumbs up for your support. Also, the links for my PayPal, my Patreon are in the description below. Also in the description, I'll also put the link for this circuit that I'm gonna talk to you guys about today, and you can check it out for yourself. It's like $13 Canadian, so it's like 10 bucks US, give or take, for the circuit. So yeah, I took the summer off, wanted to enjoy the summer, do some camping, family time, needed that family balance, you know, right? All work and no play, so went and did some traveling, camping, had a great time, and now we're headed into fall, so I'll get back into the projects. What this circuit's actually hooked up to, I'm not going to talk about, not actually going to show. It's my power cell technology that I'm working on, but I will talk about the circuit because this circuit could be used in many different ways. If you're building pulse motors, this is a timer relay circuit. You can get them on Amazon. So as you can see, I got 9,757 cycles left to go. So basically it's infinite. So what I'm doing here is to actually come up with a dump circuit. Now this dump circuit could be used for pulse motors and motor generators and charge cap banks. So as you can see right now, the power cell technology is actually charging this super cap bank. I'm not actually even going to show the power cell because I'm kind of under an NDA with this right now, so I'm not even going to show it, but I will show this little circuit you can pick up on Amazon. I will put the link in the description for this circuit so you can play with it. So very simple. The power source is actually a USB cable, so I have it plugged up there. Now you can plug it up to any power source you want. I decided to use the USB cable because it was easy, or your power connections to a battery. I believe you could go up to 24 volts input, and it also has a circuit here so you can actually have a trigger to actually start a cycle. So you might want to check it out, might be of some use to you. So yeah, so I got this dump circuit running, and you can use this pretty much with anything out there, pulse motors, rodent coils, whatever you want to do, and dump power into a capacitor bank so you can use later. So I'm utilizing this for my power cell technology. So this is a cheap one. I'm probably going to be upgrading to a Raspberry Pi to actually do the actual cycle charging that I want to do. After a certain amount of time, the screen does go out, so you just have to hit one button and the screen comes back. So yeah, it works really well. It is cheap, so like the first one I bought actually was damaged when it got delivered, so I had to order a second one, which really sucked. And yeah, that's the way it goes with Amazon. They throw it out your door, and if you're lucky, it doesn't break. So, but anyways, I'm still going to be very active on the channel. I got lots of other stuff to do with the Renegade device. I'm going to start doing some stuff with that again, as well as on the side, secret project is my power cell stuff. I can't really talk too much about that right now. Maybe down the road, yes, but right now it's still kind of hush-hush, so I have to leave it at that. Don't forget, any questions, comments below, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I do my regular podcasts. I'm actually on probably about 3 different podcasts now, regularly throughout the week, plus my own that I have every Friday night right here at Faraday Research. Just click on the live tab at the top, and you'll see the latest posting for the last show that we did actually last night. and that was over a 2-hour show. Highly recommend, go check it out. The live tab is just above you, and click on that and you can see the League of Extraordinary Inventors, and I'm the host of the show. And yeah, I got some great guys coming on. Some guys are doing rodent coils, other guys are doing anti-gravity stuff, other guys into the Tesla stuff and the Graviflyer. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. So I'm very busy, very active with the channel. Most of my stuff is going to be the live shows, because I like to do the live shows instead of like talking to myself here. But if anything comes up, yeah, I'm definitely going to post it. So kind of go over the circuit again. So you got your main power, the USB cable. That powers pretty much the whole device. Then you got your power in. So your positive wire from whatever you're hooking up, pulse motor, battery, whatever it is, that's the red wire. It goes in. There's 2 channels. There's normally closed, normally open. So I got it hooked up on the normally open side. So that's the middle screw, and the bottom screw, that's the normally open. So you have to go in to the normally open in the middle pin, and then come out the other pin on the bottom. That's where the circuit breaker is, right here, and then that goes to your load. And then your ground is just bypassed completely through it, doesn't even go into the circuit, and goes directly to your battery, capacitor bank, whatever. So everything's done in this relay. Now this can handle AC and DC power, 240 at I believe 10 amps, and this could also handle 120 volt, or sorry, 240, 120, and then I believe it is, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, you can go up to 10 amps. So this can handle quite a bit of current. I wouldn't really trust it because, you know, it's kind of a cheap Amazon product, but irregardless, yeah, it can handle, yeah, up to 10 amps. I wouldn't actually try to push that, but yeah. So I'm just testing it. I literally just hooked it up a couple hours ago. I'm trying to charge up a supercap bank. As you can see, it is lit up right now, and it was completely dead. So my power cell is actually charging this thing up as we speak, but I'm not going to show it. Unfortunately, I can't. So anyways, that's what I'm up to. I got a lot of stuff coming up in the near future. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget questions, comments below, and we'll see everybody soon. Take care for now.